Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create and manage Zoho contact deals directly from your WhatsApp chat using Eazybe. Open the WhatsApp chat of the Zoho contact you want to create a deal for. Click on the Zoho icon. Look to the sidebar where Eazybe extension is. Click on the Zoho icon. Under the contact deals, you'll find a section called Deals. Click on it. Create a new deal. Here you see an option to create a new deal. Click on New Deal button. Fill in the deal details. Enter all the necessary details, like the deal name, value, and current stage in the pipeline. If you need to customize any properties, just click on Edit button. Once everything looks good, click on Save Deal. Deal created! That's it! Your deal is now saved. You can always come back to update or manage it. Again, open the WhatsApp chat of the Zoho contact whose deals you want to manage. Click on the Zoho icon. Just like before, go to the right sidebar and click on the Zoho icon. Access the deal section. Under the contact details, select Deals to see all the existing details associated with this contact. Find the deal you want to modify. Click on the three dots next to the deal. Then click on the pencil icon to open the deal's details. Make or change, add new details, or update the stage. Save changes. Once done, click on the Save button to update the deal. Additional deal management options. If you want to delete a deal, click on the three dots and select Delete. Need to add another deal? Click on Add Deal to repeat the process. Try it now and let me know if you have any questions.